Hey BZBGEAR fans, my name is Matt Richards with BZBGEAR, and we're taking a look at some of our matrix options. Now we took a look at our VP series, and that's going to give you more than just matrix switching, but these options are pretty much just going to be if you just need plain Jane, just the matrix switcher, this is where you're really going to want to live at. We have a couple of different options. Whether you need 4K or 8K, we can fill both of those. So we have an 8K 16x16, an 8K 8x8, as well as an 8K 4x4. We also have our 4K 16x16, 4K 8x8, and 4K 4x4. We have a couple of different more options. You can get extension from our our matrices as well. We just don't have them on display here. We have more of the lineup that exists. So if you want to see the entirety of the lineup, I would encourage you to go to BZBGEAR.com and look at our matrix switchers category. But I just want to talk a little bit about our 8K series real quick. Now, why are we making such a big deal about 8K? Well, to be perfectly honest with you, it's not because we have 8K content to show. It's actually because HDMI 2.1 and the bandwidth that comes along with HDMI 2.1 and what that actually represents. So when you have an 8K solution, an HDMI 2.1 solution, that's going to open up a whole lot of doors for you. You're not really going to be very limited on what you can show because you have so much bandwidth to work with. That means you can do 4K at 120 hertz. You can do like wildly crazy high bandwidth requirement video because you're not worried about hitting data limits with HDR. You're not worried about hitting data limits with certain color depths, all of that stuff. HDMI 2.1 is really a game changer when it comes to video. So that is the big reason why we're like constantly hammering on 8K and why we're really, really proud of being a part of the 8K Alliance. So that's a quick look at some of our matrix switching options. Like I said, we have so many more options on the website. Highly recommend you look at it. But thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.